Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop back scoot switch for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel the sport. Today we're going to be getting into a pop back scoot switch, and before continuing this video I recommend that you have your back swipe switch. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Oh my god, why? So all this move is basically just a pop back scoot, but you are bringing that swipe leg through and landing on it before your scoot leg. And this is going to help you out with a pop master swipe later on. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, sort of crouch down a little bit. You're going to start to bring your outside hand up and around, put it on the ground, jump off both legs at the same time, bring your scoot leg up, and then switch legs, bringing that swipe leg through, finishing the move in a backside stance. Now don't forget you can do this move with a follow through at the end, you can do it with a spin in the beginning, and you can also do it with a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend getting used to them so you are just a little bit more well-rounded with these skills. As for tips, kind of what I do in my mind is I think pop, kick, and it kind of gets me around. Now a good progression to this move would definitely be a pop front scoot switch, so I'll go ahead and put that tutorial up there, so make sure you get that first before continuing with this tutorial. Or you can leave a comment down below letting me know what you're struggling with and I can help you out. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons for supporting this channel. It means a lot to me to have a group of you guys that are down to support this curriculum getting out as much as you are. Next, we're going to be getting into a pop back swipe switch, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz, have a great weekend. Peace.